Stand by for the latest episode of the Biz News Flash Briefing. The latest news from the world of business and investments.
Business confidence slid in the first quarter of the year. According to RMB, close to 7 out of 10 senior executives are concerned about current business conditions. Such low confidence levels continue to highlight the fragility of economic recovery. Against such uncertain backdrop, the best contribution the government can make is to fulfill its promise of confidence-inspiring economic reform focused on private sector becoming the key driver of GDP growth, says Chief Economist Etienne Leroux. Kevin Lings, Chief Economist at Stanlib, notes that the rapid increase in public sector during 2020 has heightened investor concerns regarding the vulnerability of public sector finance should central banks feel compelled to raise interest rates sooner than expected due to an increase in underlying inflationary pressure. South Africa's state-owned rail and port company says it plans to scrap contracts worth billions of dollars awarded to companies including General Electric and Bombardier. Transnet applied to the High Court to have the contracts for over 1,000 locomotives set aside because it said they were based on flawed market demand strategy. The company added that laws, government instructions and Transnet policy were deliberately ignored to make tender awards, conclude the contracts and effect payment. On the company front, MTN added 29 million customers and increased its adjusted full-year headline earnings per share by over 50%. The company suspended its dividend due to its near-term focus on faster deleveraging of its holding company and uncertainty around cash repatriation from Nigeria and COVID-19. SoftBank's Vision Fund injected at least $400 million into Greensill capital at the end of last year, according to people familiar with the matter, increasing the potential losses faced by the tech investor. According to the Wall Street Journal, the cash was in addition to $1.5 billion the Vision Fund had invested in Greensill in 2019.
You've been listening to the Biz News Flash Briefing, bringing you the latest news from the world of business and investments. Subscribe to Biz News Radio on iTunes, Spotify, Amazon, or by visiting biznews.com.